the heading of a stitch in time saves 9. So this is just that back area, removable sort of doorway on the transom at the stern of the boat, and this has just started to let go. So a few spider webs. What's this? So what I'll do is essentially just pull it apart as best I can and clean it out, and then just whack some of this polyurethane, single pack polyurethane. It needs water to go off, and because this has been on the boat, the timber would be reasonably moist. So I'm just going to, clean it up, work out a way to clamp it, smother it in this stuff, and clamp it up, and that'll be good enough. Quick fix. Then back onto the hatch. Whole family of itty bitty spiders coming into my house. I got the big one, but there's millions of little ones. They're not happy now. Oh, is that there's the mama. Tucked up in there, I think. No, some more spiders. There she is. Not happy. Probably need to get some more spray. Always good to have a big hammer. Even a little hammer. Oh, missed. Put it out of its misery. Righto, you can see where they've tried to patch this once before. Glue there and there. A bit up here. I'm just going to reposition it, clamp it, glue it with some decent glue. Get rid of that spider. And there'll be one quickly fixed section. just got back from work. This had been clamped for a day and a half now or something, maybe 2 days. But I'm pretty happy with that. It should clean up all right. You're sort of going to get that with this type of polyurethane glue, that it sort of squelches out and bubbles up in places. But it's got heaps on it. And yeah, it's not going to let go this time, that's for sure. So I'll just tidy that up and slap a coat of paint on it and put it back on the boat, and we'll call that a good little kind of stitch in time saves 9. Okay, so this is good enough for me. I might just hit the fiberglass edges with a bit of oxy acid just to get rid of that rust stain. But the timberwork's good, and that can go back up on the boat this afternoon. Mark, the lobster guy, he got me a boob, or a booby as my kids call it. Technical name is a Fender, but an inflatable boob basically. And that's it down there, the orange thing. So I'm pretty excited because this represents another part of welcoming Tondaleo to the harbour. You know, we've done all the moorings now. We've still got old Stinky in there, and that's great. She's a great boat. But the whole reason I've been doing this stuff is for Tondi. And this massive boob is going to protect Tondi, and it's going to protect the other boats, like maybe Trev's boat. I'll put it on Trev's side, I think. I've already got another big boob on the other side. So then I'm going to have 2 boobs. How good's that? And this one's 800 mil, so it's a massive boob. And I like big boobs. So I'm going to pump it up now and see how big the boob gets. I hope. I've got my compressor ready. I think it's got just a valve there, and we just pump it up. So let's go see how big I can make my boob. Alright. That was an effort and a half. I'm just going to leave it, let it settle. Doesn't feel like there's any air coming out of the valve. And yeah, we'll just see how it goes. I might put it out in the sun tomorrow, let the plastic soften and the air heat up. Oh my goodness. That's a good sized boob. Is that the nicest boob you've ever seen?
Biggest boob I've ever seen.
It's a good boob. I do like big boobs. I'm told it the colour wears out a bit and stains the boat, but it'll be alright for Stinky.
It's a really big boob.
It's a massive boob. I wanted like 4 of them. But...
I know, one's like gonna just push you closer to the following boat.
Well, I've got the other boob on the other side.
You need like 7 boobs to cover that one boob.
I know, but they're very expensive. These boobs, boob jobs, they cost a lot.
Stinky getting their first boob job.
Stinky's got a boob job, but it's not for Stinky, it's for Tondi. I wonder what my neighbours think of me sometimes. Some of the things that come and go out of this front yard.